All right, so we're going to set up Tardy messages home. So the first thing we need to do is go into Aries and pull the list for the day. So what I've done, I'll show you here. Just go into Queries, and then all you need to do is go here to the Load, and I named it Daily Tardies. And that will give you the query. Just double click on that and it automatically loads. This is the format. Only thing you need to put in is the date. So I'm going to put in yesterday's date, which was 01/16/2018. And then I'm going to run it in an Excel spreadsheet. That will give us, now what I'll do is Daily Tardies, January 16 rather. I'll save it on my desktop. It's probably a good idea to have a file just for Daily Tardy messages. And then once you open it, it'll have all the columns, name, ID number, so forth and so on. I'm going to enable editing. All you need is the ID number. So you can take in, delete all of these. These will tell you, though, just in general, it's a good report. It'll tell you where everyone was tardy. And just scrolling down, we can tell that the vast majority of our tardies come first period. So yesterday we had 119 or 118 tardies. We can delete these columns because this is all we need. And then I'm going to save this as, and I'll save it on my desktop so I can figure out where it is. And you have to save it as a CSV file. Make sure we're not on Mac here, so we're going to save it here, MS-DOS. And that will save. Why did it do that? I don't know why I did that, but so now we have that query. So I need to go to School Messenger, and I'll in the email that I sent this link, I should have the login again for you. I've already set the Daily Tardy message up. And so what I think we should do then is put the date in here, 16, and then we're going to go to this button here, Add Message Recipients. We're going to upload the list. We're going to check ID Lookup and choose File. Now I saved it onto my desktop. That's my radio. And it's the CSV file, so the comma separated. And then hit Next. And then you see that it will generate the entire list with names and phone numbers. This one that says not found, it actually is the column heading that says student ID because that's not a number. So it has all of these here. We're going to hit Add Selected, and it's uploaded 118 recipients. We're going to go to Next, and we're going to upload or load Save Message, and the message that is recorded, you have to scroll a little bit because we have a lot of things by number. Daily Bulletin. Sorry if you're getting dizzy looking at this. Wow. So Daily Tardy. Just click that button there. We're going to load the message. You can see that will generate this screen. There's also an email attached to that recorded message. And you get this message here, so we know 118 messages are going out for Tardies on the 16th, and phone, email, and then we're going to schedule for later. I like to send these messages out. If this was actually the 16th, this would have the 16th date in it, so we're going to do this daily. I like to send them out at 6 o'clock. We have other attendance messages going out for absences, I think at 4 or 5 or 4 o'clock. So we're going to set this one for 6 o'clock to go out every day. And we submit it. This will confirm it. All right. And then on the dashboard here, we will see that it'll appear on here. It's on deck somewhere. Daily messages right here for the 16th. That will go out. So it's here. That's all it is to it. That took just over 6 minutes to explain. This probably should only take about 5 minutes to do, and then we're done. That's it. Oh, all right. Just so it's not confusing. This was actually the message I sent yesterday. This is the message that we just created right here. 118 messages for today. My mistake. I just had to expand this list. So it'll appear right here. Here will be the completed messages. So this is the one that I sent out last night. This is our daily attendance that goes out, and so forth and so on. So what happened is there was a button that said show more in this area. So hopefully that clarifies it. Thank you.